Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for VeChain. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we notice is our monthly swing high. So, we plot it on the chart and color coordinate it to the time frame we're working in. Now, I also notice another key level right here, where price came down, hit, and reversed, acting as support, and as price broke through, we had a pullback reacting to the same level as resistance. So, we're going to move over to the weekly time frame so we can see things more clearly. But before we do that, I notice another key level right here. So, price came up, hit, reversed before breaking through, establishing a key level of resistance. Now, we notice price is reacting around the same area. So, let's hop into the weekly time frame. On the most recent price action here, we can establish a key level right here and color coordinate it to the weekly time frame. So, if price reverses from this level, we're going to expect to see a reaction from this level here. Now, we also notice a key level right above. So, we can plot this on the chart. We notice a reaction as support here before reversing drastically, and we also notice a reaction from this long wick here. We see another key level right here. As price broke up and came down, we see multiple reactions acting as support to this level. Now, if we look over here, we see a reaction to the same level now as resistance. And one thing to keep in mind, these key levels are areas where we plan to see a reaction. That doesn't mean a reaction will always occur. As you can see from these two candles, price broke right through the level. Now, we notice another key level right here. We see a reaction as support from these candles. We see a reaction as resistance here, and another reaction as resistance here. So, multiple reactions acted as support and resistance, and this level is obvious to spot. We have another level here where price reacted as resistance, it broke through and acted as support. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and plot these key levels on your own chart. And hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.